Well, budget cuts for victim advocacy groups continue, with a local organization here in the upstate on the verge of losing more than $100,000.
We're hearing from the CEO of Safe Harbor on these massive cuts. Our Taniqua Penix joins us live in Greenville County with more on how they're affected. Taniqua.
Good afternoon, Sydney and Mark. The numbers for domestic abuse here in Greenville County are frightening. And whether or not we know it, almost everyone knows someone who's been affected.
Greenville County experiences the highest number of domestic abuse in the state, according to data gathered by Safe Harbor. And CEO Danny Verrett says the number of cases continue to grow.
What we know is that not all incidents get reported, and not all incidents make their way to us so that we can serve survivors.
Safe Harbor serves as a safe space for victims of domestic abuse. They offer programs and services to empower individuals and their families, but with ongoing budget cuts, they've had to eliminate key positions like a shelter advocate, a client support specialist, staff attorney, and child therapist.
If the federal funding cuts continue, we won't be able to do those kinds of things that we used to do and want to do again that would provide truly valuable service to our clients, adults, children, families.
On a federal level, the Victims of Crime Act's Crime Victims Fund is facing a $700 million budget cut in federal fiscal year 2024. For Safe Harbor, that's a $170,000 cut to their annual budget.
One of our greatest fears is that the building expansion that we are undertaking will not be able to meet the needs of everybody we'd like to serve.
And Safe Harbor does everything they can to protect the privacy of those who use their services. But the testimonies from different people say things like, quote, "With the help of Safe Harbor, I was finally free from my abuser. I am so grateful that Safe Harbor gave me the resources I needed to escape, and Safe Harbor provided relief during a time when I felt the world on my back."
Taniqua, how have leaders at Safe Harbor said they will handle these budget cuts?
Well, Sydney, right now Safe Harbor is relying heavily on their partnerships and donations from the community. So right now they're just asking people who can donate, please continue to do so they can continue to offer these much needed services. Reporting live in Greenville, Taniqua Penix, WYFF News 4.